Today I would like to show you how to go about creating a campaign within Track Revenue. Once you have logged into Track Revenue, you will proceed to the Campaigns tab on the far left side of your screen. You will see a subcategory called Add Campaign, which you will select to begin to create your new campaign. With that said, let's get started creating a new campaign. First, I'll show you how to create a direct link campaign. Make sure to select Status Active so that your campaign will receive traffic through offers and/or landing pages. You may opt to select Inactive, which will save your campaign upon creation. However, traffic will not be directed through this campaign. Now we will create a name for your campaign. For the purpose of this exercise, we will name the campaign Sample Direct Link Campaign 2. Next, select your cost tracking type. You have the option to choose from CPA, cost per action, CPC, cost per click, or do not track. For this example, we will use CPC, and the sum we will enter is 40 cents. What is available in the campaign group and the traffic source drop-down menus depends on the settings page. This is customizable. For this example, we will select unassigned for both campaign group and traffic source. Now I will associate this campaign with a campaign manager. I will select tim as 6629@gmail.com. I will modify the landing page expiration date to 1 day. For the purpose of this exercise, I will skip the next two sections, blog filter URL and hide refer. Next, select a campaign time zone. For the purpose of this example, let's go ahead and choose America, Los Angeles. I will also be skipping the offline tracking section. Moving along, we will apply tokens and sub-ID. Go ahead and change token status to active and select Add a Token. For the field name, type in C1. For the value, enter click ID. And for the name, click _ID. Specifying tokens and sub-ID within this category will be used later for the third-party postback. To create your campaign, select Update. Campaign URL is the auto-generated URL used to promote your campaign. Moving forward, you will now select your campaign type. Click Direct Link. By selecting this option, your click will be linked directly to an offer. You may separate this among several offers or by using departing schedules. Next, we will be adding an offer. Make sure that the status of the offer is set to active. For the purpose of this exercise, name your offer Yahoo. Also for this example, type in http://www.yahoo.com sub-ID equals open bracket sub-ID close bracket. The open bracket sub-ID close bracket is passed to the offer so that the affiliate network can use this information to fire the Track Revenue Global Postback. For the purpose of this exercise, we will keep the network at unassigned. For the payout, enter in 24 cents. For day parting, we will select Custom, Tuesday and Wednesday, and proceed to the Apply button to save your offer. Next, we will apply a third-party postback. For the purpose of this example, type in the following URL: http://www.postnet.com/pixel.php hash equals open bracket C1 close bracket. This is an example of how it is being mapped back to the token that we added earlier in the setup process. By passing back open bracket, C1, close bracket, back, the advertising network will have the conversion as well. Select Update to apply the new changes that you have made. Check to see if your campaign URL works. Click the Copy button and open a new incognito window. Paste the URL and search. Before I can conclude this tutorial, I would like to show you how to verify the campaign you created is set up correctly. Proceed to the Campaigns tab on the far left side of your screen. You will see a subcategory called Overview, which you will select. Now that you are on the campaign overview page, look over to the clicks column, and you should see an increase in your number. If you generated 1 click, you will see a number 1 under the clicks. If you do not see any clicks or something doesn't look right, you may need to modify the filters to be active or with traffic to have visibility of these clicks.